Guys, this is Siddhi from Best of Beauty and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to talk all about concealers. Now I personally love using concealers by themselves. I think it just transforms your entire face and you just need a little bit of it, and that's the reason I'm always hoarding on concealers, because I'm on the lookout for the best formula. So obviously I have tried like a couple of different concealers over the years. So in today's video I'm going to share with you some of my favorite concealers which I think work really well for Indian skin tones, and I really hope that you enjoy this video and find it informative. So let's just get started. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already or you're new, then definitely hit on the red subscribe button. It'll really mean a lot and I really appreciate the support as well. And yeah, let's get started. So in this video I have actually bifurcated the concealers according to their coverages. So first half we're going to talk about the light to medium coverage concealers, and the second half we're going to talk about medium to full coverage concealers. So you all can obviously decide as per your liking which ones you want to go for. As you can see that I'm really pumped for this video, and let's just start off with the light to medium coverage concealers, and I'm going to mention a lot of different ones from different price ranges, so you all can pick and choose whichever you want, and obviously everything will be mentioned in the description box below with their links, so you can check that out directly. So first let's start off with this one, which is the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. Now this obviously is like one of the best selling concealers out there, and I have seen so many celebrities and bloggers use this concealer, and obviously for a good reason. This is like a really lightweight concealer and it just blends so seamlessly into the skin, and it does not look heavy whatsoever, and you can layer on like multiple times and it still looks really natural and flawless under your skin. So the shade that I use is Ginger, which I feel is slightly light for my skin tone, and the undertone is just not right because I would have preferred this to be more on the yellow tone side, because personally I feel like yellow tone concealers just work really well for Indian skin tones, because that is what exactly counteracts the darkness under your eyes, rather than using a pink tone concealer which can sometimes look really ashy after a period of time. So this is what the concealer looks like on my hand, and this is the shade, and as you can see that it just blends in so seamlessly and it feels really lightweight, and obviously it's really hydrating under your eyes as well. So you should definitely check this out if you are someone who has dry skin tones. Next up we have this one, which is actually a recent purchase, and this is the Flower Beauty Light Illusion Concealer, and I am in the shade Light Medium. This shade also I would say is slightly lighter for my skin tone, because as I mentioned I like using concealers which are either exactly the same shade as my skin tone or a little bit darker, because I feel like that's what covers my under eye dark circles really well. And on top of it, if I feel like it's looking too dark under my eyes, then I use a concealer which is going to brighten up the under eye area as well, which is what I love doing sometimes. So this one, as I mentioned again, is extremely lightweight, and I would consider this slightly more heavier in terms of the coverage as compared to the NARS one that I showed you. So this is what the concealer looks like on my hand, and as you can see that it has a little bit more pigment as well as compared to the NARS one, and once you just blend it, it just looks so beautiful under your skin, and it still looks really natural yet providing coverage as well. And again, I would recommend this for someone who has maybe combination or drier skin, because obviously again I would recommend using cream based concealers rather than using liquid concealers for oily skin tones. Next up we have this one, which is the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Long Wear Concealer. Now this also is a really popular product, which is why I wanted to try it out, and I would say that I am not entirely like blown away by this concealer, because I still feel like it does not give me as much coverage as I would like it to. But again, if you are someone who has really flawless skin and you don't have under eye bags, then you can go for something like this, because otherwise the formula on this is really nice. It's really lightweight, and it just again blends really seamlessly, and it's perfect for everyday use as well, because you don't want it to look heavy. So this is what that shade looks like. This also has a beautiful yellow undertone to it, and this is in the shade 3W, and this is what that one looks like. Moving on to a high-end concealer, and this one is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Instant Fix Concealer, and this is what that one looks like. Again, this is also a recent purchase, and I love Estee Lauder's concealers. They're really good in terms of the consistency, and again, as I mentioned, that they're really, you know, lightweight as well. I think I might have said lightweight like 100 times by now. So this is in the shade 3W medium, and the good thing about this is that this side actually has, you know, the hydrating part, so you can use, you know, this under your eyes before you apply the concealer. So it's like a serum that you use under your eyes, which is great because obviously you don't always have eye creams you know, handy. Then we have the concealer on this side. So I like the dual part about this, and I'm just going to show you the swatch of this. So as I mentioned, that this also has a really beautiful yellow undertone. Now again, I would recommend this sort of a concealer to someone who does not have a lot of pigmentation on their skin, and this is what that one looks like. All of these lightweight concealers that I showed you have a beautiful consistency, and they're really lightweight. So if you are someone who does not like heavy coverage makeup, then you can go for something like this. But at the same time, I wouldn't recommend these lightweight concealers if you are someone who has, you know, under eye, like really prominent under eye circles, or, you know, marks on your skin that you need to cover, because that is definitely not going to get covered by these ones. Which is why you have the medium to full coverage concealers to do that job. Now the first one that I'm going to mention is this one, which is the Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer. Now I have raved about this concealer in my earlier videos as well. This has to be by far my favorite concealer. I always gravitate towards this when I'm doing my makeup. I reach out for this like very often because I just love how beautifully it covers my under eye circles, and at the same time it just, you know, is so long wearing and still looks really natural under the skin as well. And I feel like the colors are really beautiful and they complement my skin tone beautifully. So this one, as I mentioned, is in the shade 145 Warm Beige. This concealer covers acne marks and blemishes beautifully, because as you can see that it has a slightly thicker consistency. It's not so lightweight and so sheer that it's going to move. So it's going to stay in place and it's going to, you know, just grab on to the skin as well in a good way. So that's why it's not going to move, and that's the reason, you know, what I do is on my blemishes I just apply it and I leave it for some time, and then once it's dried I then blend it into the skin, and you would notice that it just covers everything. So I'm just going to blend this and show you. So this is going to provide you medium to full coverage, and I love using this. I think I'm obsessed with this concealer to another level, and you get this on Nykaa as well. I'm going to leave everything in the description box below. And also, if you want to check out the video wherein I show you how to cover acne marks, then definitely head on to my Instagram as well, because I've done a dedicated video to that, so check it out. Next up we have this one, which is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. Now this also has to be like a holy grail concealer for a lot of people, but sadly I have never found the right shade for myself, as I mentioned in my earlier video as well. And this is in the shade medium. I thought that this is going to work for me, but it definitely is way lighter, and I feel like the formula on this concealer is really nice, and if I find the right shade I will definitely love using this on a day-to-day basis, because again this provides, you know, light to medium coverage. But because of the color I would not gravitate towards this. So I'm just going to show you. This has this sponge tip applicator, and you know, this is how that looks like, and I feel like it's just going to cover everything so beautifully and still look really natural as well, and it's really creamy and soft. I don't know if I make sense, but it just feels really nice on the skin. So if you can find the right shade for yourself, then invest in this. This is really affordable, you can get it anywhere, and yeah, the consistency is really nice. Also, if you're enjoying the video so far, then definitely give it a thumbs up. Next up we have this Kosas concealer, and this also I got because it had like great reviews, and I got this from a website called Revolve Beauty. So they do ship internationally as well, and they have some great brands, so you should definitely check it out. And I got the shade 5.5. Now this again, sadly is a bit lighter for my skin tone, because obviously I purchased it online, so it's very difficult to get the exact shade for yourself. But this is what that looks like. Now this is the consistency. It's slightly more heavier coverage than the earlier concealer that I showed you, and I'm just going to blend it into the skin. And this does provide like medium to full coverage, and it still looks really nice and lightweight on the skin as well, which is what I really like about this. And it's very hydrating under your eyes as well, so if you are someone who has really dry skin and want a full coverage concealer, then you can definitely give this a go. Next one is again a really popular concealer, and for the right reasons, and this one is the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD, and I've actually got the shade Beautiful Bronze because I use this to contour my face also, and this also has like a lot of shades to choose from, and the consistency obviously is just perfect, I would say. As you can see that this looks really thin in terms of the consistency, but because it has so much pigment, it does provide you coverage as well, which is what I really love about this. And I'm just gonna blend it and show you how beautiful it looks and how seamlessly it blends as well. So I personally love using this shade as a contour, as I mentioned, because that also looks really beautiful. So definitely check this out because it's a great concealer to have. Moving on to another Estee Lauder concealer, and this is the Double Wear Stay in Place Flawless Wear Concealer, and this also has SPF 10. I think this might be the only concealer which probably has SPF in it, but anyway, I really love the consistency on this as well. And after the Milani concealer, I would say that, you know, this one would also be one of my favorite concealers, because as I mentioned that it provides medium to full coverage, but it still blends beautifully and it still looks really nice and lightweight. And the shade that I have is medium deep 4N. I do feel that the shade is a bit darker for my skin, and this shade actually would look beautiful on duskier skin tones, as you can see. And it has more, you know, warm and olive undertones to it. But I just feel like if I get the right shade for myself, this would also be like my go-to concealer, because it's really long lasting. It does not crease as well, so it just stays intact, which is what I really love. And just look at this. It just has the right consistency, and I really love this. Next up we have this one, which is a KK Beauty concealer, and I've done like an entire, you know, video on it, so definitely check that out as well. And this is in the shade 6. This is a great brightening concealer, I would say, and it does provide a lot of coverage as well. And this is what that one looks like. Really like the applicator on this. And this is the color, as I said. I love using this for brightening my under eye because this is also slightly lighter for my skin tone. And I have actually used this today under my eyes as well. As you can see, it just looks really nice, and it has a really nice matte consistency, so it's going to stay in place and not move throughout the day. And yeah, this is also a really good one to try out. Moving on to by far the most full coverage concealer that I have personally tried, and this is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. Again, I had done like an entire video dedicated to this concealer, so definitely check that out. So currently I have the shade C14, which I use again for contouring, but I usually use the shade C10 because that's the one that, you know, works for my skin tone. And this is the swatch. And this is actually compared to the Tarte Shape Tape concealer as well, because in terms of the consistency as well as the applicator, and obviously this is way more affordable, and there are again so many shades to choose from. And this is what that looks like. As you can see, this is like full coverage. So if you are looking for a heavy coverage concealer which is still gonna look really nice on your skin but obviously provide you that coverage which you need, then definitely check this out. And just look at this. Like once I'm blending it, because it has like that, you know, slip to it, it just blends beautifully, but obviously it gives you so much coverage. Just look at that. So you need like the tiniest amount of this, you know, for your under eye area, and it just does the job really well. Last but definitely not the least, I have to mention my favorite cream concealer, which is the NARS Soft Matte Concealer. Now I've again used this like a couple of times and I love the formula on this as well. I feel like this is perfect for someone who has oily skin, because it obviously is not a liquid concealer, so it's not going to move, you know, or throughout the day. It's just going to stay in place. And the shade that I have is Ginger. And even though it's a cream concealer, it still is not that stiff, you know, because sometimes cream concealers are really difficult to blend, but this has the right, you know, texture and consistency. And you know, the best part about cream concealers is that they're so easy to use. You can just, you know, dab them with your finger under your eyes and, you know, on your blemishes, and you'll be good to go. So I would highly recommend checking this concealer out if you are someone who has combination or, you know, oily skin and you have the problem of, you know, under eye area creasing. Check this out, you're gonna love it. So yeah guys, that is it for today's video. I think I mentioned about 12 concealers if I'm not wrong, and I really hope that this video was informative. I tried to give you like a mini review on all of these concealers, and obviously they are my favorites. And if you all have any favorites which you want me to try out, then definitely leave them in the comments below, because I'm always on the lookout for a good concealer. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, because that would really mean a lot, and also share it with your friends and let them know which concealers to try out as well. And last but definitely not the least, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button. It'll just really mean a lot. Your support is what matters the most, so please do that, and I will see you guys in the next one. Love you.